Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add and remove home screen widgets from XIAOMI 12T. So to do this, we'll need to be on the home screen, then hold your finger onto the screen. On the bottom you should see widgets, click on it, and right here we can add a widget. So let's add a calculator, for example. There must be enough space, so let's make it. And I'm just gonna store this few apps in a folder. Again, hold your finger. Widgets, and here's a calculator, and now we can place it somewhere on the screen. That's how it looks like, and to remove it, simply hold your finger onto the widget. You should see the remove button and simply click on it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.